Hey guys, I have here my JBL Live 460 NC headphones, and in this video I want to explain to you how to unpair these headphones from all devices that they are currently paired to. So this process is called a factory reset, and this also works for all other JBL Live models as well. Now the first thing we have to do, of course, is to turn on the headphones. And in this case they are immediately still pairing here to my iPhone. You see this here on the left side. And all we have to do to perform the factory reset is to take a look at the right ear cup here. We're going to press and hold the volume buttons both at the same time, so the plus and the minus button. We're going to hold them for about 5 or 6 seconds until the headphones are going to automatically by themselves turn off. You're going to hear the jingle that they're turning off, and they're also turning back on relatively soon afterwards. And when we're taking a look at the LED here, we see it's blinking in blue, indicating that right now the Bluetooth pairing mode is enabled and the headphones are waiting to be paired to a new device. So that also means that the headphones have forgotten about all devices that they were paired to before, and if you want to use the headphones with the same device again, then you have to go through the pairing process once more. So at this point I'm doing this here with my iPhone again. We have to go through the pairing process and reconnect them, and now they are ready to be used with the iPhone again. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.